Hi friends, this video shows how to attach black print head. First let me open the cover of the printer. We can just lift this cover up. Inside here you can find print head cover. So we need to open this cover. Here we can press like this, then lift. Done. So this way we can open print head cover. Now you are seeing color and black print heads. On print head cover you can see the labels C and B. C means color, B means black. See, I already attached color print head. Let me attach this black print head. Open this cover. Then remove this label from the print head. Then remove this sticker from the print head. Please don't touch here. Next I am going to attach this print head. So we can attach like this. Okay, done. Then we need to lift this little bit up. That way we can lock it. Done. Then close this print head cover. We can press here, then close. Done. On top you can see two buttons. We need to press down these two buttons. First let me press down this button of the color print head. Done. Then let me press down this button of the black print head. Done. Then close the cover of the printer. After that we can test. So this way we can attach black print head. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.